If you've ever worried about stepping over a high tub wall or wished your bathroom felt safer and more comfortable, you already know how much the right walk-in bathtub can matter. The thing is, not all walk-in bathtubs are built the same. Some focus on powerful hydrotherapy. Others prioritize fast draining, easy entry, or luxury features like heated seats and chromotherapy. That's why we put together this list of the 7 best walk-in bathtubs, each one standing out for a different need in bathroom setup. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these walk-in bathtubs aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the ANSI 2753 FLWL. This is the best left drain on our list. I mean, the left drain setup is the first thing that makes this model stand out. If your plumbing lines up on that side, this configuration just makes installation smoother. And at 53 inches by 27 inches, it fits comfortably into standard bathroom layouts without overwhelming the space. It even includes a 7-inch extension kit. So this thing can adapt to standard 60-inch openings when needed. But once you're inside, the experience really shines. You're getting a dual therapy system with 10 Whirlpool jets for deep muscle relief and 18 air jets for a softer, full-body massage. So whether you want intense hydrotherapy or a gentle soak, you've got options. And because it features an inline heater, your bath stays warm longer. The quick fill faucet helps reduce wait time. Plus, the 60-inch handheld shower gives you flexibility while seated. Add in aromatherapy and LED chromotherapy lighting, and the whole atmosphere instantly feels more calming. Plus, safety is clearly built in. There's an ADA-compliant seat, built-in grab bars, a low entry threshold, and a slip-resistant floor. The glossy acrylic shell is reinforced with a steel frame for durability and stability. And here's what Sichi says: "This is a wonderful addition to my bathroom." With the air and water jets, it is a stimulating soak for sore and stiff muscles and inflammation of joints. With the multicolor lights and aromatherapy, sets the mood for relaxation after a long day at work or with the kids. Very affordable, and the installation was done in a day. So if you need a left drain walk-in tub that feels fully featured and thoughtfully designed, this one truly delivers. Number 6 is the Ferdeye Floridian. This is the best fast drain on our list. The fast fill and fast drain system is the headline feature here. It fills at approximately 15 gallons per minute at 60 pounds per square inch, which means you're not waiting around forever. And when you're done, it drains in under 2 minutes using the easy grip handle beneath the shower head. That kind of efficiency makes a big difference in daily use. And because it's crafted from genuine lucite-grade acrylic, insulation performance is impressive. In a 77-degree room, water temperature drops only 1 degree after 45 minutes. So you can enjoy a long, steady soak without needing a motorized heater. By the way, the entry experience is just as thoughtful. The low 4-inch step and threshold makes getting in simple. The extra wide door and watertight seal help keep everything secure and dry. You can also choose left or right side door opening to match your layout. Plus, the 100% glossy white acrylic surface has no extra coatings that peel or fade. It's designed to resist yellowing for at least 10 years, keeping it looking clean and modern. And since it's technology-free, maintenance stays simple and straightforward. So if you want a walk-in tub that fills quickly, drains even faster, and holds heat beautifully, this one feels incredibly practical and comfortable. Number 5 is the Therapeutic Tubs WF3060WILWH. This is the best 60-inch Whirlpool on our list. At 60-inch by 30-inch, this full-length alcove tub gives you that traditional bathtub footprint with walk-in accessibility. And the Whirlpool system is where it really shines. You get 8 directional hydrojets plus 4 focus jets arranged in a V-shaped back pattern. That configuration targets your lats and lower back for a complete therapeutic massage. And then there's the powered fast drain system. It can remove water in as little as 1 minute, so you can step out quickly when you're ready. The quick fill faucet includes a 60-inch handheld shower, giving you reach and convenience while seated. On top of that, the maintenance heater keeps water at a comfortable temperature during longer soaks. Chromotherapy lighting adds a soothing glow to the experience, and the easy push buttons and chrome accents give it a polished look. and safety features are built right in. There's a low entry threshold, ADA compliant contoured seating, a safe reach grab bar, and a slip-resistant textured floor. The marine-grade acrylic shell is reinforced with fiberglass and supported by a steel frame for strength. So if you want a full-size 60-inch Whirlpool walk-in tub that blends therapeutic power with safety and comfort, this one feels like a serious upgrade. And if you want to know the latest prices for the walk-in bathtubs discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Ella's Bubbles Capri. This is the best outward swing on our list. The U-shape outward swing door is the defining feature here. It uses a 3-latch system to create a secure, leak-resistant seal. The composite door with tempered glass adds a sleek, modern touch, and the low 5-inch threshold makes entry feel easy and confident. Inside, you're getting a true combination therapy experience. There are 15 hydro jets, including 9 fixed upper jets and 6 adjustable lower jets for your back, hips, thighs, feet, and calves. Then, you also get 16 air jets with 3 speed control and auto purge. 2 of the upper jets even function as bidet jets for added comfort. And the dual drain technology includes 2 individually controlled 2-inch drains with 4 outlets for fast gravity-driven draining. And the 5-piece fast fill faucet fills up to 18 gallons per minute depending on plumbing conditions. You also get a heated seat and heated backrest, LED chromotherapy lighting, and 2 stainless steel grab bars. The cast acrylic shell is reinforced with fiberglass and supported by a stainless steel frame with adjustable leveling legs. And here's what Nancy says: "Awesome tub, just love it. Everything arrived perfect and installation was awesome." So if you want an outward swing walk-in tub that feels luxurious, secure, and packed with therapy features, this one truly stands out. Number 3 is the Ella's Bubbles Ultimate. This is the best luxury on our list. In this thing, luxury starts with the therapy setup. You're getting a full hydro and air combination system plus an independent foot massage system. The hydro massage includes 5 adjustable jets and 6 fixed jets with an intensity dial, inline heater, and sterilization system to keep both water and plumbing clean. And then there's the independent foot massage. It includes 4-foot jets and 2 calf jets with its own dedicated pump and controls. That means you can enjoy targeted lower leg relief while filling the tub only to seat level. That's thoughtful engineering. On top of that, the air system includes 17 air jets with 3 speed control and auto purge. So whether you want gentle bubbles or a more active massage, it's right there at the push of a button. And the 5-piece fast fill faucet fills up to 18 gallons per minute and includes a pull-out multifunction hand shower. And the dual drain technology uses 2-inch dual drains with 4 outlets for rapid gravity draining. Add in LED chromotherapy lighting, a spacious 60-inch by 30-inch design, and a large 95-gallon capacity. And the experience feels premium from start to finish. So if you want a walk-in tub that feels like a true spa centerpiece in your bathroom, this one absolutely earns that luxury title. Number 2 is the Empava EM PV-54WIT08. This is the best value jets on our list. The value here really comes from the jet count and versatility. You're getting 13 powerful water jets for deep muscle therapy. And alongside that, there are 12 air jets for a gentler bubble massage. That combination gives you true dual therapy at a strong value position, and it's easy to control. The LED touch panel lets you activate the bubble massage with one button and the hydrojets with another. Just press once to start and again to pause. It's super simple and senior-friendly. The built-in heater maintains water temperature between 77 degrees Fahrenheit and 104 degrees Fahrenheit, so your soak stays consistently warm. It's designed to maintain heat, not reheat cold water, which keeps the experience steady and comfortable. Plus, the tub holds up to 84 gallons and supports up to 440 pounds. The seat expands from 22.4 inches by 17.3 inches at the base to 26.37 inches by 20.86 inches at the top for added comfort. You also get a 3-inch low threshold, a 19.25-inch wide outward swing door, 2 safety grab bars, and a slip-resistant floor. It even features a bench groove design to help water drain off quickly. And here's what Jessica says: "We've been using this walk-in tub for a few months, and it's been a dream. The jets are really powerful, and the tub holds the temperature well so I can enjoy a long soak. Installation was smooth and didn't take long at all. Definitely a great buy. So if you want strong jet performance, consistent warmth, and thoughtful safety features at a competitive value, this one really stands out. Number 1 is the ANSI 2753 FLWR. This is the best overall on our list. What makes this one the overall pick is balance. You get strong hydrotherapy, quick operation, and thoughtful safety features all in one package. The tub includes 15 AccuStream massage jets that deliver full-body hydrotherapy, and the fast drain system removes water in under 1 minute, which makes exiting the tub quick and smooth. The quick fill faucet rapidly fills the tub and includes a 60-inch handheld Euro grip shower head for added convenience. On top of that, the inline heater helps maintain consistent water temperature throughout your soak. The water-resistant ergonomic pillow supports your head and neck. That makes longer baths feel even more comfortable. And safety is built right in. There's ADA-compliant seating, a low step-in threshold, a slip-resistant floor, and a safe reach grab bar for added support. The glossy white acrylic shell is reinforced with fiberglass and supported by a steel frame. It even includes a 7-inch extension kit and tile flange for easier retrofit installation. Modern chrome hardware and easy press controls give it a clean, accessible finish. So if you want a walk-in tub that delivers therapy, comfort, speed, and safety all in one design, this one truly earns the overall spot. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect walk-in bathtub. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each walk-in bathtub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.